Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account in GroupMe app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't downloaded GroupMe from your Player App Store, go ahead and do so. Then from there, open it up. So you've come to this page once you've opened up GroupMe. So welcome to GroupMe, the easy way to connect with all the groups in your life, big and small. So from here, click on the blue Create an Account button. Now got a few options, so you can continue with an email address, or you can create an account with your Gmail, Google account, Facebook account, or Microsoft account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to create a new account with one Google account. So I'm going to click on Google. Now I'm going to choose the correct account, tutorial is. And now what this is going to do is create a new account. So from here, you can change your name if you like. Your email is going to stay the same. You can sync contacts, and you need to click on the I agree to terms and service. You can also add an avatar here. So if you like to have an avatar, click on the pencil icon, and this will direct you to your photos inside your photo gallery. So if I click on the pencil, you can take a new photo or select save photo. So I'm going to use this photo in my gallery, and now I'm going to click on the blue create account button. So I'm going to click onto that. And now you need to choose a phone number to verify it. So from here, put in your phone number to verify. And then you can send a PIN code. And then with that PIN code, you need to add that PIN code back to your GroupMe app to verify. And then you can start using GroupMe.